Welcome to another Daily Tempest quiz. Can you name all these animals? Then let's start with the first easy animal. Cheetah. Hippopotamus. Orangutan. Jaguar. Llama. Arctic fox. Dingo. Beaver. Moose. Flamingo. Give a like if you could answer the first easy questions. Next up, the medium level. Kudu. Capuchin monkey. Blue jay. Przewalski's horse. Galapagos tortoise. Cassowary. Maned wolf. Marabou stork. Red panda. African wild dog. Please press like, subscribe, and the notification bell if you've enjoyed the quiz so far. Are you ready for the hard level? Black buck. Proboscis monkey. Musk ox. Greater one-horned rhino. Tree kangaroo. Nilgai. Kiwi. Giant anteater. Secretary bird. Saiga antelope. How many have you answered correctly? Next up, the expert level. Falanook. Clouded leopard. Olingo. Numbat. Eastern quoll. Yellow-throated martin. African civet. Banded linsang. Takin. Zorilla. Only an epic animal fan will get the next batch of animals. Markhor. Amazonian river dolphin. Bactrian camel. Addax. Indri. Blue dragon sea slug. Chinese pangolin. Javan rhino. Pygmy three-toed sloth. Golden-crowned flying fox. Could you get all the animals? Then click on the link attached for more quizzes and see you soon.